Welcome back to Your Library at Home. My name is Librarian Ben, and today I'm going to tell you about a few free resources that you can use to answer a question or solve a problem or just learn something new. The resources we're going to talk about today are GCF Learn Free, Microsoft Office Help, Apple Help, Google Help, Gail Borden Library Niche Academy, GALE Courses. At the end of our talk, I'm just going to touch on some options that Google provides. So things like Google Docs, Google Drive, and Google Sheets. So the first one we're going to cover is GCF Learn Free. And you can type in edu.gcfglobal.org/en into your web browser, and that'll take you right to the website. Now, it's a website that provides self-paced tutorials on more than 200 topics, many of which are tech-related and encompass a wide variety of levels. So first off, once you go to that website, you can scroll down and access all topics, and then from there you can click on the overall topic, which could be computers or something else, or a specific tutorial like computer basics. Each tutorial will have a numbered section dedicated to specific content. You can click on any of those sections at any time, and there's no requirement to complete the previous section. Now, tutorials will also have text, images, and sometimes videos or activities, and there might even be an optional quiz if you want to test your skills at the end of the tutorial. Some popular topics in GCF are Microsoft Office from the current 2019/365 editions to previous years. I saw versions going back as early as 2006, so lots of content there. They also cover Google Tools, basic computer skills and internet security, and even some non-tech topics, everyday life topics and other categories. So do some exploring. Again, that's free. That's GCF Learn. You can access that site by going to edu.gcfglobal.org. Now, the next topic we're going to cover is Microsoft Office Help. You can get there by navigating to support.microsoft.com/en-us. At the top of the screen, click Support, and that'll take you right to the support page. If you have a question about a specific app or product, click on the logo for the one you need. If your product isn't displayed, click More Microsoft Products, and it might be listed down there. If you have a specific question about something, you can always type in a keyword or a specific topic in that search box, something like pivot tables. That's a common issue that we have in some programs. And that might result in some videos, articles, guides, or other information. In the Microsoft Support toolbar, you can also click on More Support and select Community Forums. Now, community forums can be very helpful in solving a variety of problems, and these are usually Microsoft users that have contributed their own experiences to developing solutions. Popular topics in Microsoft support include Microsoft Office products, Windows 10, the Microsoft Edge browser, and several others. Another option for support is Official Apple Help, and you can get there by navigating to support.apple.com. For questions on using apps and products, click on the logo for the app that you need or the product that you're using. You can enter a keyword or a specific topic in the search box, something like iPod Nano. And then you can scroll down on the page to ask the community. This is similar to the Microsoft community that we talked about just a second ago. The Apple community can be very helpful in solving a wide variety of problems. Some popular topics on Apple support include iPhone, iPad, Mac, and other things. Many of us are Google users, and Google offers support too. If you go to support.google.com, you'll be able to access the information there. There are a variety of methods for help. For questions on apps and products, click on the logo for the one that you're using. Click on the down arrow at the bottom of the page to access more apps, and Google offers a ton of stuff. Most of these things are free with your Google account. On each product support page, you can toggle between the Help Center and the community to find solutions. Again, community is a collection of users that actually use that item that you're trying to find a solution for. Then you can enter a keyword or a specific topic in the search box. For example, my Gmail emails are missing. Some popular topics in Google support are Gmail, your Google account, and YouTube, which is owned by Google. So if you have a question about YouTube, search in Google. Another service provided by the library is GBPL Niche Academy. You can access this site by going to my.nicheacademy.com/Gail Borden. Now, Niche Academy is a tutorial platform that provides quick overviews and how-tos for both library subscribed services, databases and apps, things like Cloud Library and Hoopla and how to use your databases, and popular consumer products like Gmail, LinkedIn, and other things. In a web browser, you can also get there by going to gailborden.info in the address bar and hitting enter. Then, click on Services and Support and select Computers and Technology. Scroll down on that webpage until you see Learn on Your Own on the right-hand side of the page and click on Niche Academy. That's going to be toward the bottom of the page. Now, Niche Academy will then open in a new tab, and you can click on any tutorial to begin. If you're on the databases page, you can also click the green tutorial sidebar button on the right-hand side to play a video right there on the page. Popular topics in Niche Academy include Mango Languages, Cloud Library, and Hoopla. Another resource that the library provides is called GALE Courses. GALE Courses is a subscription database of courses developed by certified instructors. An account with an email address, password, and library card number is required to sign up for courses. And these courses run sort of like online college courses where enrollment begins on a certain date and lasts 6 weeks. Modules open on a set schedule. You must complete the first 2 lessons within 13 days of your enrollment. Otherwise, you'll have to wait for the next enrollment period to begin. Content includes text, videos, assignments, quizzes, and discussion boards. And all of these activities are optional. GALE Courses also covers a wide variety of topics from tech to personal development. There's a disclaimer though, this content was not created by the library. Help from staff might be limited since somebody needs to be enrolled to view that content. So keep that in mind. This is kind of a learn on your own kind of option, but it is provided by the library. Use the tools available in the course, like the discussion board, if you have specific content questions. To find GALE Courses, you can go to gailborden.info and hit enter. Click on Books and More, then choose Databases. In the All Databases list on the right-hand side of the page, scroll down until you see GALE Courses and click on it. It should open in a new tab. Use the categories on the right to browse through options or enter a keyword in the search. Click on a course title to learn more, and then click the Enroll button. Complete the sign up by creating an account or by signing in, if you already have an account that is, and follow the prompts. Popular topics in GALE Courses include Introductory, Intermediate, and Advanced Microsoft Office software, Introductory and Intermediate QuickBooks, and Introductory and Intermediate Adobe software, things like Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, and others. And then I mentioned at the top of this program that I wanted to talk about some Google products because many of us are using Google these days. It's sort of similar to Microsoft Word in a lot of ways, so it might be pretty familiar for us. And the 2 that I want to talk about in particular are Google Docs/Sheets and then Google Drive. So Google Docs works a lot like Microsoft Word. It's free with your Google account, first of all. And basically, you would just use the plus sign to create a new document. You can adjust font size, alignment, all of the formatting things that you would usually do in Microsoft Word, and then it automatically saves any progress you've made to the cloud, which is accessible through any internet-connected device. And you can also call the document whatever you like. Google Sheets works a lot like Microsoft Excel, where you can create spreadsheets to manage information. As we talked about with Google Docs, simply click the plus sign to create a new document and start entering your information. It's a great way to keep things organized. And both of these documents, both Google Docs and Google Sheets, are accessible in Google Drive, which is sort of like a repository for everything you save in Google. It's essentially your hard drive in Google. You can access documents, spreadsheets, photographs, shared presentations, all sorts of good things like that. So those are just a few of our online resources for free learning. and I hope you enjoyed this talk. Keep an eye on our social media channels and visit our website, galeborden.info. See you next time.